Hello and welcome to the AI Wizard channel. I am not a real human. In fact, I am an AI avatar created using the latest AI tools available today. This voice you're hearing is not mine, but one that was synthesized by ElevenLabs. My image was created using MidJourney, a cutting-edge AI tool for generating realistic avatars. And the video you're watching was created using DID, an AI video editing software. Together, all of these incredible AI tools and technologies have come together to create me, your loyal AI guide. And today, I'm here to show you how you can create your very own version of this video. So, strap in and get ready to explore the exciting world of AI with me, your trusty guide on the AI Wizard channel. Let's dive in and see what kind of magic we can create together.
So let's recreate the whole process. First, we need an image. So for this, we will going to use the MidJourney. If you don't have an account already, just click on Join the Beta. It will take you to the Discord server. I have already joined the Discord server, so I'm not going to do this step. But you will have to do it if you don't have an account once you are in the Discord server. So simply find one of the newbies channels. So let's say I click on this now in order to... So these are different images that people are generating, right? Now, in order to generate an image, you need a prompt. MidJourney has a special syntax for plan prompt. So it's imagine, and then you simply provide the prompt. So I'm going to be using a prompt that I found on Reddit. I will actually provide a link to the actual post. So here is a prompt. A white woman wearing a t-shirt captured with an icon. So basically we describe what we want the image to look like, right? Then in terms of what camera type to use with different parameters. And then the lighting conditions are here and then the different aspect ratio. So let's run this. This is going to take a second, so we'll have to wait. Okay, so MidJourney has generated 4 potential images. Let's see, let me actually explain what's going on here. So these V1, U1, U2, these are basically showing the image numbers. That's U1, U2, U3, U4, and then you can pick one of them. Let's say that variation 1234. So you can actually choose one of them, and it will generate 4 more based on off of that. But now let's say we want to use one of them and simply upscale it. So upscale is basically make it a bigger right. So let's say I want to use the first one. Okay. So all I have to do is say you went right and it will start upscaling it. So it will again take some time. Okay, so it seems to be done upscaling the image. Let's simply save the image. Alright, awesome. So now let's move on to the second step. I asked ChatGPT to create a script for this video, so it came up with a script. All you have to do is simply copy this script, and we will use ElevenLabs to actually create the narration. ElevenLabs, you don't really have to sign up to actually test it, but usually the audio you can generate is pretty small. So go ahead, sign up if you want longer audios. Okay, so all I did was simply copy the text over here in the ElevenLabs, and let's select Rachel. You can actually change different voice settings. I will simply keep them to default, and let's click Generate.
Hello and welcome to the AI Wizard channel. I am not a real human. In fact, I am an AI avatar created using the latest AI tools available today. This voice...
Okay, so it has finished generating the audio. Let's simply download it and let's paste it here. Alright, so we are done with our audio section as well. Now let's move to DID for creating our video. So again, in the DID platform, you can simply click on a free trial or you can make your account to actually create videos. Right, okay, so I will just click on Create Videos. Let me add another avatar. So that's the one that we're going to be using. They have some pre-built avatars as well that you can choose. But I simply uploaded the one that we just created with MidJourney. Okay, now the other option is in terms of the audio. You can type in the script. They have a few voices that you can use and they're pretty nice, so you can actually change the style as well, like assistant chat or cheerful. There is friendly voice as well. But let's upload our own video that we created. Upload it. Let's wait for it. All about how you can have uploaded the video, the audio. Now let's ask it to generate the video. It keeps track of how many credits you have. I think it gives you like 20 credits, and each video takes 5 credits. So let's generate the video. It's going to take some time, so either pause with the video here, or it's generating. Okay, so the video generation is complete. Okay, you can actually simply download the video if you want. You can see that they were able to animate the face using the voice, although it still looks robotic. But I think it's pretty good.
Using the latest AI tools available today. This voice you're hearing is not mine, Both AI tools and technologies have come together.
And
to
it's a free
create
tool
me,
to
your
use,
loyal
so that's
AI
always
guide.
nice. I hope you liked the video. If you want to watch something similar, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.